What Beyonce say? It's a skirt, same process. So. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, you can tell by the title, I'm doing a Shein haul try on. Yeah, so my baby bought me a whole bunch of Shein for our anniversary, and I haven't tried any of it on. I've been waiting for this video so that I could try it on. So yeah, if you want to see what it looked like on a slim, thick little thing, really thick, but yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. So yeah, this top and this bottom, both from Shein. Same top, new bottom. Bam! I really like this one. And this is really out of my comfort zone. I'm trying to be more sexy.
Ten. Goddamn, 10.
one of my favorites out of everything I done tried on so far.
That's a little vintage. What's good, Tay?
This is such a vibe. Oh my god. I love this. I love this. I love this. Next outfit. The last pieces, it's some fitness gear that I'm not gonna put on because I don't have like tops and bottoms, so I can't do an outfit, but I'm gonna just show them to you. So, and then some accessories too. So these are some pants, some leggings, nice, super cute, chill. Really great fabric. Really, man, when I tell you, like, I have Gymshark up there with Gymshark for the low. Some more. I'm telling you, the stretch bomb, like the band compression, like, and if you slim thick or thick like me, the compression is everything, especially when you're working out. They were so long, I had to get them in black. So yeah, that's like all the fitness stuff that I got. I also got some shoes. I got some fur slides. And I got some just, you know, regular heels, some black heels. Never know when you're gonna need a black pair of heels, and I keep losing my heels every time I go do a photo shoot. I like leave my shoes, or I let another model borrow my shoes and she doesn't give them back. So like, I'm buying some more, and that's why I want to spend a lot of money on them, and that's why these are perfect. Now I hope they're comfortable. What else? Jewelry and accessories. Look at this purse. Like, it is so cute. Let me just twist that. It is so cute. It's so cute. And then I got this belt, but I figured this belt would be cute since it's like a Chanel dupe. So yeah, why not? Add some flavor to some outfits. Super cute. Some socks. Some cute socks, like when you wear some cute shoes. My coat. It's gorgeous. And it was so affordable. I think that's everything. I know this one was kind of long. I mean, it was a haul and I did have like 30 plus pieces, but still. So thank you for tuning into this video, especially if you watched till the end. Just be sure to like, leave a comment if you want more, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on, okay?